Arrow token is an inflationary token operating on the Ethereum blockchain, which can be used as a currency, a store of value, or an investment. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share a number of things regarding the Arrow token, and very soon they are going to launch their own mainnet, so I am going to share each and everything regarding this platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, what is Arrow token all about? Arrow token is the first inflationary token with very low supply of only and only 500,000. And as I told you earlier, very soon they are going to launch their own mainnet with migration to blockchain. The most remarkable feature of Arrow token is its increasing rate of 0.01% after each exchange on the real blockchain brought together. You can say trades are excluded from this criteria since they run a depiction of the blockchain rather than getting to it in real time. So that is such a great factor, and also you can say the key feature of this platform. Here you can see Arrow token increases by 0.01% of every transfer on Ethereum network, thereby increasing the value. Arrow token is compatible with IAM token, Trust Wallets, Mu, MetaMask, etc. Arrow token is basically an ERC20. You can say the ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in IAM token, on the Trust Wallets, Mu wallets, MetaMask, and all the wallets which are basically you can say the supporting the ERC20 tokens. So you can you can basically hold your AET anywhere. So the basic thing regarding the AET token, Arrow token, I will tell you the main features. Arrow token major, you can say the project plans are very simple. The first one is, you can say, the secure wallet. The second one the second one is the full protection, analysis and planning, mainnet, and also exchange and mobile app. It is already, you can say, at this time I will show you the main thing. Right now it is available on CoinMarketCap with the price of 0.071 at this time, and it is available on the CREX24 in BTC pair, on the CATEX exchange in BTC, and also in Ethereum pair. And also it is available on Mercatox exchange, so you have the chance to buy this token directly from these three exchanges. Now the basic thing I will tell you right now, basically the best factor regarding the AET is that at this time basically the mobile app is available. So if you want to hold your funds, you can easily hold your all the funds in the personal wallet of Arrow token. It is entirely very easy. Here you will get the link from the Google Play Store or also from the Apple Store. You can easily download the wallet and you can easily use this wallet to secure your all the assets. As I told you earlier that AET has a total supply of only and only 500,000 and is divisible, you can say, up to 18 zeros after decimal point. 18 you can say the 18 decimal, ensuring the great stability and long-term use of the asset. Each time an Arrow is transferred, 0.01% of the transaction is increased. So that is such a great, you can say, the main key factor of this very project. Here you can read each and everything regarding the roadmap, especially the launch of the unique functional of the Arrow token. And as I am telling you again and again that very soon basically they are going to migrate from the Ethereum blockchain to their own blockchain. So that is such a great thing regarding the Arrow token, AET. And here you can see all the exchanges, and if you have any type of questions regarding this project, you can easily ask from the team in the Twitter and also on the Telegram, because the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. So if you want to read regarding the white paper or if you want to invest anything in the Arrow token, so you must have to read each and everything. Here comes the entire white paper where you can read each and everything regarding the Arrow token AET. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends.